Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I still remain treadmill. I always share the best strategy for you guys online because I always want everyone to make money on forex. So guys, I'm back today with this powerful and wonderful strategy. It's very powerful and reliable. Like I always say, before I bring any strategy here for you guys, it's a strategy I've used for myself. I've done it, like I've tried it several times and I see it's working perfectly fine before I now share it with you guys so guys can use it and make money too. So guys, quickly before we start, I'd like you to like this video, share the video, comment, leave some sweet comments, and turn on your notification so you can always get video whenever I drop them online. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel before, I'll begging you to subscribe today. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. So guys, you can check on my description page. You'll see a link to my Telegram group. Okay, this is my Telegram group. Okay, you see a link to this free Telegram group. It's a free group that I drop free signals for your daily trading. I drop analysis, okay, and also talk to you about forex. So it's a free channel, but I have a VIP channel which I drop 3 to 4 signals daily, powerful signals that always comes out with profit. As you can see the results from here, we've been making a whole lot of money for ourselves. So you can join this free channel. It's free. You can join and you'll get some signals for yourself. And still on the description page you see a link to my WhatsApp number, which you can talk to me directly if you have maybe some business you like to discuss. Probably you're new on forex and you need someone who can guide and teach, mentor you to become a professional. That's what I do. I run a mentorship program, and I run account management. I can manage your accounts and flip your accounts for you. So you're free to hit me up on WhatsApp and let's talk business. Okay guys, so let's get back to business. So first of all, the strategy here is a very reliable one. It's the one you will use and make a whole lot of money for yourself. So the indicators we'll be using for this strategy will be on the main chart, the moving average. We're using 2 moving average today, and the indicator window. One, we have the relative strength index, we have the Ichimoku, and we have the moving average. So the first indicator you'll be needing here will be the moving average. On the moving average, the period is 100. Please, I'd like you to screenshot this or you write them down so you don't make mistakes when you're actually placing them on your own charts. So the period here will be 100. The shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 3 pixel. I'm using a green color, and you go back to your indicator again. The second one here, still on your main chart, is the moving average. We have the period 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style 3 pixel. I'm using blue color. I'm done. Still go back to your indicator. The next one will be on your indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index. The period is 16, apply to close, styles 3 pixel. I'm using a blue color. The levels here will be 90, 10, 95, 5, and 50. And done. Go back to your indicator again and you add your Ichimoku. And Ichimoku, no, I can't be reading all this, so just write them down, screenshot it, and use it on your trade. And after doing that, it's done. And the last indicator here will be the moving average again. Period 10, shift 0, method exponential, applied to first indicator data, style is 3 and color is red, and done. Okay guys, so after you might have finished fixing our indicators, the next thing we'll want to do here is knowing when to buy or sell. So like I always say, scalping is one of the fastest way of trading. It's a jump in and jump out trade, like I always call it. You just go into the trade, you pick a few candlesticks and you're out of the market. So when you're scalping, if you want to scalp boom, boom is an uptrend market. If you're actually trying to cash back some boom, that means you have to be buying and your cash spikes. But since we are scalping today and you are trading boom, you have to sell because you're actually trading against the spike. So when do you know it's time for you to sell? Okay, the only time you know it's right for you to sell is when you see your indicators here going above this level 50 here, the level 50 here. And once you see all these indicators, the blue, red and the black indicators you're seeing here going above level 50, and you see your black indicator, this very one here, the black one here, getting up to the level 90, that tells you that this is it. This is it here. So when you see the black indicator, you're getting up to the level 90, that tells you that the market is on the overbought level. And once the market is on the overbought level, it's likely to have a reversal at that level. Okay, so that's why you always have to be patient. Like I always say, patience is very, very important in forex. You have to be patient, because if you are not, you will just rush in and you go lose a whole lot of money. So you have to be patient, wait for the right time, you right entry, price action. Price action, I always say price action is very, very necessary. You have to know price actions. If you don't know price action, like I said, talk to me and we can work on that together, and I will teach you more about price action and when to make a right entry, some sniper entry, and you always make a good decision when doing that, and you see that most of your trades will always go well. So back to business. When do you know it's time for you to sell? Remember, like I said, if you are scalping on your own boom, you have to sell. Okay, because you're trading against the spike, you're not actually catching spike, so you have to sell. So when do you know it's time for you to sell? When you know it's time for you to sell is when you see your indicators, the blue, red, black indicators you're seeing here, above the level 50 here, going above this level 50 here, and you see this particular indicator, the black one here, getting up to the level 90, which is the overbought level. And when you see that happening, you look over your main chart. Okay, look over your main chart. You have to be sure, you have to wait till when this green indicator you're seeing here, you have to wait. Like I said, you have to wait. That's why I talked about patience. You have to wait. Once you don't see this confirmation, don't try, don't buy, don't sell. Once you don't see this confirmation, just know that it's not a right time for you to make that trade. So you just have to always wait. Whenever you see this confirmation, you see this green line here crossing over the blue line here, that's when you make your trade, that's when you sell. And when you sell, you pick 5 to 6 candlestick. I'll suggest you don't stay longer than that. Okay, you don't stay longer than that. Once you have 5 to 6 candlesticks, you close. Okay guys, because staying longer than that is risky. Staying longer than that is risky. And even if you want to hold and stay longer than that, don't allow it to pass the level 50 here. The level 50 here should be your take profit if you're trying to hold, which I'm not even advising. But if you still want to hold, make sure that it doesn't pass the level 50. Once you get to the level 50, you close your trade. Okay, let me say this one more time. Okay, when do you know it's time for you to make that sell? When you're on boom. If you're on crash, you actually buy. You actually have to buy when you're scalping, but since you're on boom, you have to sell. So when do you know it's time for you to make that sell? For you to be sure that it's time for you to make that sell is when you see all these indicators, the red, blue, black indicators above the level 50. Okay, when you see these indicators above the level 50 and you see this particular indicator, which is the black indicator, getting up to this level 90, which is the overbought level, and when that happens, you look over your main chart and you see the green indicator crossing the blue one like this. If you see on your main chart this doesn't happen, don't make the trade. Even if all these indicators here, the black, red and the blue one, are giving you this um signals that it's okay, it's time for you to make that trade. But once you look over your main chart and you don't see this happening, okay, don't make that sell. So the only time you make that sell is when all these indicators giving you all the confirmation, the ones on your indicator window one is giving you that confirmation. You look at your main chart and it's happening like this. You see the green indicator crossing the blue one like this. That's when you make that sell. You pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Okay, just 1 2 3 4 5. As you can see here, it's just 5 candlesticks here, and you're out of the market. After this, there was a spike here. So I will always advise, don't stay longer than that. Just pick 5 to 6 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Okay guys, this strategy is very reliable, it's powerful, and if you follow this strategy, if you follow everything I said here, perfectly correctly the way I said them, and you set your indicators perfectly the way I did mine, I guarantee you that you always make money for yourself when you use this strategy. Okay guys, just it's very easy, just do it the way I said it. Just make sure that everything is in a good condition, just like I did mine, and I promise you, you make a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I always say, please don't forget to subscribe guys. Thanks, see you some other time. Bye.